Hi everybody, this is Matt, along with Rodney behind the camera on this old Pilot, and we're in the hangar. Got the gearbox off, and quite frankly, from what I see in the gears and everything, it looks really good. I'm pretty sure that just simply my clutch plates need to be cleaned out, but this is the way that it comes off. Everything is locked down tight. Going to clean this up. Actually going to put saran wrap around here so all the holes are plugged, nothing can get in. And got a little bit of cleanup to do, just simply because of the little bit of oil that was tied up inside of there. But otherwise, it just took a bit of persuading, and I'm glad that it really wasn't a super hot day. So hopefully my friend Rodney will be able to go out and fly Fred tonight and have a really good time, because I know that I can't do that, not tonight. So, well, Rodney says yes you can, but no, I can't do that tonight. But anyway, everybody take care, fly safe. But this is what the backside of a Rotax 912 ULS 100 horse looks like. So there you have it. See you later.